What's going on? If you're into vintage items, especially vintage snapbacks, you're in the right spot. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back. We got another unboxing for you. Today is Tuesday, the day after Labor Day weekend. So all the mail just showed up that was built up from over then. And I actually just did an unboxing, a really big one. So I was really shocked that all this stuff showed up in the mail. It is a ton of stuff. If you can see right here, is 12 packages. And then I've got 2 envelopes on the ground, which I believe is a really cool jacket that I ordered. Actually, let's open that one first. So it's by JH Design, which made a lot of the NASCAR jackets. They made that iconic Chicago Bulls Michael Jordan trophy jacket. But this one is a Boston Celtics. It's got the Eastern Conference right there on the sleeve. I'm not doing a good job because I'm so close to the camera, but we've got the Celtics patch right there, and then across the back, here's a massive Celtics logo. Only flaw that I'm noticing right now is a rip right here, but I mean, I'm going to be wearing this thing, so it's not an issue to me. And here's the official merchandise by JH Design right there. This thing is so cool. I'm going to get it cleaned, and then this is going to be definitely a go-to jacket. And then there's the iconic JH right there. So most of the NASCAR jackets that are of value to me or fit the best are those JH Design jackets. So I absolutely love those. So let's get right into the hats and waste no time because it is late. I just got done with the fantasy football draft, but it's okay. I'm in multiple leagues. First one here, Miller Genuine Draft, Rusty Wallace, number 2, with the block hat on the back. This is a red version of it's a kind of a beige one that is my go-to going out hat. Everyone always asks me about it, so it's always a talking point to get people to follow Premium 32. But we got a second one. I've been struggling to find these, but finally came across one. So happy about that. Like I said in the last video, there may be a grail in here. I have been waiting for one, and it hasn't showed up, so today could be the day. Next up, 1995 NCAA Final Four. Got April 1st and 3rd. Those are the 2 days. The Final Four and the championship, I believe. Final Four patch there. A little dirty on the inside. I was hoping I could just throw this one in the hat drop tomorrow, but we're going to make sure that it's nice and clean. Baltimore Orioles, Cal Ripken Jr., number 8, with the MLB Players Association right there on the side. Not Players Association, Players Choice. This one's going to need a little wash, but I always love getting these. I have the Yankees version and wear it almost every day. And this one sold immediately and had a ton of people asking about it last drop, so I'm sure I'm not going to have this one for long. Brand new with tags, Villanova, Wildcats, signatures. I call this one the Starshine. Some call it the Sunrise or something because of that right there. I think these are really cool, but I always am hesitant getting them because sometimes they are kid size and it's impossible to tell. But this one is not, luckily. It fits me on 4 snaps, so that's good. Next up is this pretty cool Ducks Unlimited one. I haven't seen this one before. It's got that duck and then the kind of like a silverish right there to show the reflection. This one's really cool. This one's very strange. It's like a box in a box, if someone couldn't close it all the way. Kind of weird. The Washington Redskins, technically a double bar. It's got those 2 burgundy bars right there. And this is a Youngin tag made in Korea. Black twill. All right, from Secondhand Smitty. I actually traded him for this one, a New York Mets double line twill script. This one's really cool. It's going to need a little bit of shaping up on the inside, but he's the man. He ended up sending me another NASCAR hat with it, Logo Athletic with the checkered brim. Really cool. Really nice of him. If you're not following Secondhand Smitty, make sure to follow him. Not the one I was expecting, but I'm definitely happy to have this. It is a new generation Sports Specialties double line twill script. It's a New York Yankees. Looks like a very big fit, but it's got the Sports Specialties tag on the inside. These newer generation ones, I'm pretty sure Nike bought Sports Specialties and ended up continuing to make these, which is a more thick and durable material on these, which I kind of like. I wasn't a big fan originally, but this one's brand new, so I'm happy with it. Second to last one here, Nebraska Huskers, black twill with the Huskers on the back. This one's really cool. I like the colors on it. Black and red, logo 7 tag. Last but not least, I'm really hoping this is it. This one actually is a little banged up, but I hope it's in good condition, and I'm really hoping this is it. We shall see. It is not. Not the hat I was expecting, but I am really excited about this. So Buffalo Brims has hooked me up with a ton of hats in the past. A couple of these Capital ones right here is from him. But we got right here, he threw in a Berkeley fishing hat right here. This is real. I love the colors on this. This is good going into the fall season. I may hold on to this one. Strap back. And then that one he just threw in for free. So that was really generous of him. But we got an addition to the Washington collection. Washington Capitals wool single line script with the shield, NHL shield right there. This one is beautiful. I've been looking at it on his account for a really long time and never pulled the trigger on it. So that one's going right up there. Second is this Washington Redskins Black Dome double line script, the NFL shield. Beauty. And then he threw in a couple extras, which was really nice. Macon Braves, the Macon Braves. And then this Gatorade one right here. This is, I don't see a tag on it. There is a tag, but I'm not sure what it is. But pretty cool old school Gatorade with the strap on the back. So that does it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're not already. And stay tuned for some collection videos in the future. I got some of those cooking up. And then if you want anything, make sure to check out premium32.com and Wednesdays at noon for hat drops.